Music production is the art and science of turning musical ideas into a finished, polished track. It's everything from capturing sound, to shaping it, to arranging it, to bringing it to life. At the foundation is sound itself, vibrations traveling through the air. Every sound has amplitude, how loud it is, and frequency, how high or low it is. We visualize these as waveforms, spectrums, and meters, so producers can literally see what they're hearing. To record sound, we use microphones, different types for different jobs. Dynamic mics for loud sources, condensers for detailed vocals. These mics feed our audio through cables, carrying signals into an interface or a mixer. Once the sound enters the computer, it becomes audio tracks. These are the raw building blocks of your song. You can edit them, trim, cut, move, stretch, simply fine-tune your performance. But production isn't just audio. There's also MIDI, digital instructions telling virtual instruments what notes to play, how hard, how long, and with what expression. MIDI is the reason you can play an entire orchestra from your bedroom at 3 a.m. Then there is the mixer, the command center of your track. Here you set levels, panning, balance, depth, and how everything sits together. This is where dozens of sounds become one cohesive piece of music. Producers use a lot of different effects. Dynamic effects such as compressors, limiters, gates are tools that control volume, smooth performances, add punch, or remove noise. Filters delay shape the tone and space of your sound. Equalizers sculpt the frequencies. Reverb gives your track a sense of room or environment. Delay and its variations can completely transform the character of a sound. These effects take dry, lifeless signal and make it alive, spacious, and emotional. Music production is not one skill. It's a chain of decisions from the first vibration in the air to the final mastered file. If you want a quick overview of the stages of music production, grab the cheat sheet on my Patreon. You can also hop on the Discord. And if you want to dive deeper into parts of the production process, make sure to stick around with Noise4 channel because we're breaking all of this down in future videos.